Hello and welcome to the Fulminata Robotics YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install computer vision onto your robot in your Android Studio project. As far as I know, this only works on Android Studio. Please feel free to correct me down in the comment section below. You may be wondering what teams use to recognize objects with camera vision. Well, they use a project called OpenCv. As the name suggests, is an open source project that uses computer vision. This is a universal tool that's used by many developers to recognize objects in the real world. So you can go to this GitHub link down in the description below, and as you can see up here in the top, this is actually not OpenCv. This is Easy OpenCv. It's a project made by another FTC team who realized it was hard to implement OpenCv into Android Studio easily. So they made an easy way to implement OpenCv into Android Studio. If you scroll down here, you'll notice an easy guide showing how to install OpenCv. I'll be going through this guide to show you how to install OpenCv onto your Android Studio project. But first, let's go into the examples folder, source main, down to the team code, and I'm just going to go into this bottom file here and copy all of the text so that we can use it to tell if our installation is working. So right click this team code file here, new, Java class, and I'm just going to name it OpenCv. Simple name. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to delete this and paste it here. Scroll up to the top and rename this OpenCv to match our class name. You can see there's a whole bunch of red errors which are telling us that OpenCv is not installed. Well, let's install it. The first step is to go into this directory right here, click the drop down arrow, then go into build.gradle in the team code module. Then in this dependencies section, you're going to add a new line and paste this piece of code. It's going to be implementation and in single quotation marks org.openftc easy OpenCv and then the current version it is in. Currently, at the time of this recording, it is in 1.5.1. This piece of code will change based on the version, and you can actually see it if we go back to the home page. You can see it's actually right here. This line of code, you're going to copy it and paste it into your project, right in this dependencies section. Alright, the next step is to go into build.common.gradle, and you're going to scroll down until you find the piece of code right here, ARM64-V8A in quotation marks. You're going to delete this on both places, and we can actually look and see the reason behind this. It's needed because OpenCv native libraries compiled for 32-bit and Android applications cannot load both 32-bit and 64-bit libraries at the same time. Otherwise, a warning will be shown when opening the app indicated that OpenCv enabled op modes will crash. So if you do not delete this section that we just deleted, you could have a problem. Okay, next step is you can click this Sync Now button, or you can click this elephant in the top right corner, and we'll sync the files. If you've done this correctly, you should now be able to go into your file. You should see that there are no more errors. OpenCv has been installed. Now there's one more step. We need to download this file and put it onto our robot controller, whether it be a control hub or a driver station or a robot controller phone. So let me move to my robot. Alright, so I'm here on my robot. I'm just going to plug my computer into the robot. I have a control hub, so I'm just going to plug it into the control hub using a USB to USB-A cable. And you can hear, there we go, it plugged in. All I have to do is copy this file, then scroll down until I see my control hub. You shouldn't have to change any settings. It is automatically set to share files. Go into internal shared storage first, and then right here is where you need to paste the file. Hello there, post-recording me here. I just wanted to note that your file should actually be named libopencv android 453 .so rather than what I have here, which is libopencv android 453 and then 1 in parentheses .so. That's just because I've done this multiple times before, and when I downloaded it, it had to save as a different name, so it put that 1 in parentheses there. If you're doing this for the first time, that shouldn't be a problem for you. Okay, that's it, and OpenCv should be working for your robot now. All you need to do is program some programs, OpenCv programs. Thanks for watching, and comment any questions you have down in the comment section below. Thank you. Goodbye.